Tesla Cybertruck among 3 other cars that were totaled, following a collision on 403 at Winston Churchill, Mississauga. Multiple people were sent to hospital. The Cybertruck took significant damage, particularly to its front and side, with emergency responders on scene, suggesting the crash's severity and the vehicle's structural integrity under extreme conditions. Multiple people were sent to hospital. Luckily, all occupants were safe with minor injury. All the car involved looks like it's in one piece, but the Cybertruck looks like 2 pieces. The Cybertruck folded like a piece of paper from a front-end collision with a smaller vehicle. We wonder how the Cybertruck was facing the opposite direction and who was at fault. This was pretty bad high-speed crash. All in all, it looks like the Cybertruck cab is pretty intact and passengers walked away from that. End of the day, that's what matters.